this video I'm going to show you how you can delete your Doordash account. So what we want to do is just first load up the Doordash application. Once we have the app open, we will select Me found in the bottom right corner. So click on Me, and then from here we will go into the settings. So click on settings. Now from the settings we want to scroll down until we see manage account. So update information and manage your account. Just click on this option. And if we scroll down, you will see manage account, request an archive of your personal data or delete your account. So click on manage account, and it is going to load up a new page here, which is going to ask us to log in with our information. And once we have been logged in, you will see an option called delete your account. Simply click on delete your account, confirm the deletion, and that's how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.